Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching us from. This is Alex Ezekiah again, and I'm about to talk about the effects of COVID-19 in real estate sector in my country. I don't know how has it affect your own country, in terms of investment in real estate. Please put a comment below this video, and I want to tell you. With the COVID-19, it has really affected a lot of businesses, how they thrive, how they make impact. A lot of people are giving up now. What I tell you, in my country, actually is a different ball game. Real estate, despite there's COVID-19, there's a lot of boom in the sector right now. You see a lot of projects going on. You see people, there's development. People are investing. Even in pandemic, we have someone, single person, buying hectares of land for a project they want to do. This is the period people are putting so much into real estate in Nigeria, in Lagos State, for example. And I tell you the reason. The reason is because of the lot of infrastructural development that is happening in Lagos State, West Africa. If you don't know where Lagos State is in West Africa. So a lot of people are putting a lot of investment there because the Dangote refinery is coming up in an area called Ibejuleki, and that's project alone worth over $200 billion, and that is what is attracting a lot of investors. So it's the hottest spot right now in Nigeria, where a lot of people, foreigners, president of different countries are visiting this region in order to invest. One of the greatest assets we have in this area is the natural beach. People buy a beach front property, for less than $10,000, for $5,000, even for $3,000. So it's kind of it's a ridiculous price at this time. So it has not really affected us negatively. While other people are panicking, the people with foresight that know what is coming in this region are really putting their resources into real estate, and they are investing massively. So if this is the best time, if you want to start your real estate business, you want to be a realtor, this is the time for you to start. You can contact me on the link below, or you can reach me on my email. I will show you how to start. It's quite easy. It's very easy, and now, because of the impact of investment happening in Lagos State, we found out that it has affected other states in my country, in Nigeria. People are investing in other states now. You have currently the company I have affiliate with currently have about 13 estates, and they are launching another 2 very soon, coming up in this country alone, in Nigeria. So you can invest now, and you are not going to regret it even after the pandemic. Now, even this period, we found out that some of our property have increased. Some of them are in 20%, some of them are in 50%. We even have one fantastic one that has increased with 100%. And we are the only company that are giving investors 25% on their investment. You don't want to own the property, but you have this money, you don't just want to keep it in the bank. With what is happening to our currency now, as of today, $1 is about 475 to naira. You can imagine the difference. So little dollar can actually purchase a lot of infrastructure, a lot of landed property, buildings for you in Nigeria. So if you are watching this video and you're outside this country, I want you to reach me or put a comment below this video where I can reach you. I can show you an opportunity. You know, we have lot of opportunity now. If you are a land speculator, this is the time you need to look into Nigeria as a place for your investment. And I tell you, you are not going to regret it. We have a lot of property that already have certificate of occupancy. We have the one that have been excised and gazetted. So we have a lot that you can, that they are in the region where you can easily obtain your document. So all these are advantage, and that is why COVID-19 has nothing on real estate right now in Nigeria. For other countries, they are complaining that there's a low turnout. If there's a low turnout, this is the best time for you to buy. So I will advise you, if the prices of real estate is going down, shelter is one of the most important factor of human. You know, we need shelter, we need food, we need water, we need clothing. So shelter is number one. Nobody, you can't sleep on the street. You need a place to sleep. And with the housing deficiency in Nigeria, which is about 17 million, and we only eject 700,000 houses every year, which is quite, very little, could not meet the standard. So we are looking at investors who want to invest in our estates. You don't have to you don't have to live in Nigeria to invest here. You can invest wherever you are. So I encourage you to please comment on this video or reach me on the phone number and the email address that will be provided below this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Keep investing.